Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Novation. I am Shantanu and I welcome you all to the fourth lecture of our Parts of Speech series in English Grammar. And friends, today we are going to discuss adjectives. So friends, we'll discuss various concepts and types of adjectives. उसके बाद हम कई सारे questions भी practice करेंगे. Alright friends, so I'm pretty sure कि आज का lecture काफी interesting होने वाला है. So please watch the video till the end and also attempt the assignment question which will be at the end of the series. And friends, as always, you can contact me on these social media platforms where you can ask any doubt related to your preparations. And please also check out novation.in जहाँ पर आप जाके lecture resources download कर सकते हैं. And if you like the content of Novation, please support Novation by donating to the cause. Alright friends, so with that, let's jump straight into this session. So guys, first thing first, what are adjectives? या फिर विशेषण किसे कहते हैं? So friends, adjectives, these are simple words which modify or describe nouns and pronouns in a sentence. किसी भी noun और pronoun के बारे में जो भी ज़्यादा information देते हैं उन्हें हम adjective कहते हैं. So they generally indicate some quality, some quantity, size, shape, feeling, content and some more information related to your noun or your pronoun. Okay, so let's see some very simple examples जिससे आपको और समझने में आसानी होगी. So Indian team has many dangerous batsmen. Here dangerous acts as an adjective because it is describing the batsman, which is a noun here. Okay, now next is your dress is beautiful. Now dress, here I'm talking about a thing which is a noun and it is beautiful. So here my beautiful word is going to be a adjective. Next, the snake is long and green. Now friends, here the name of the animal is the noun and long and green, these two words are indicating the quality of the snake. So this is my these two words are my adjective. Next, the painting is extremely old. So here friends, we are talking about painting and painting कैसी है दोस्तों? It is old. So old is showing me the adjective. But here friends, extremely is not an adjective. Painting को describe नहीं कर रहा है extremely word. Extremely is describing old. So adjective को describe कर रहा है. So that is an adverb जो हम आगे आने वाले sections में पढ़ेंगे. So friends, I hope आपको ये examples clear हुए हैं. अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. So now let's set the agenda for this lecture. We are going to discuss 4 different types of adjective. First is descriptive adjective, then quantitative adjective, proper adjective and lastly comparative adjective. So friends, हम ये सब discuss करेंगे. So let's start. So first we'll discuss descriptive adjectives. Now friends, these are the most easiest one adjectives and these are also the most frequently used adjectives. So these are the words which describe a noun and a pronoun. Basically, they provide you information related to the quality of the noun or pronoun. So these are also called qualitative adjectives. Let's see their example. The first is, I have a fast bike. Now bike here is a name of a thing, so it's a noun, and how the bike is, it is fast. So it is describing the quality. So fast is going to be an adjective. The hungry dogs are barking. So dogs are described as hungry. Their quality is that they are hungry. Next, the slender man appeared out of nowhere. So how is the man? He is a thin and slender person. So slender is going to be an adjective. I hope friends, ये आपको descriptive adjective अब clear हुए होंगे. आगे बढ़ते हैं. So friends, we saw qualitative adjectives or descriptive adjectives in the previous slide. Now we'll see quantitative adjective. So quantity बताने वाले, quantitative से हमें समझ में आना चाहिए कि they are going to show some quantity. Okay, so a quantitative adjective provide information about the quantity of the noun or the pronoun, and this type belongs to the question category of how much or how many. So ये दो टाइप के क्वेश्चंस का आंसर देते हैं, that is how much और how many. यहाँ पर uncountable and यहाँ पर countable. Let's see the examples so that will be more clear. I only have 100 rupees in my wallet. So friends, here the word 100, it's showing the quantity of the rupees that I have. So this is a quantitative adjective. There are 5 members in my team. So 5 describes how many members I have in my team. Hence it will be a quantitative adjective. Next, the whole task is complete. Here whole shows how much. Okay, how much task is complete. Now next, there are 50 boys and 26 girls in this tour. So I hope this is clear that 50 and 26 are going to be our quantitative adjectives. I hope friends this is clear. We'll move forward now. Next we come to proper adjectives. Now friends, when a proper noun modifies or describes other nouns or pronouns, they become proper adjective. अगर कोई proper noun ही किसी और proper noun को describe करेगा, then they are called proper adjectives. A proper adjectives allows us to summarize a concept in just one word. How? Let's see. So instead of writing or saying a food cooked in Chinese recipe, you can just say Chinese food. So here Chinese is a proper noun and food is another noun, and hence Chinese is going to be my proper adjective. Why? Because it's a proper noun describing another noun. I hope friends this is clear. So let's see some more examples. German cars are very strong. So car is again a noun, and German, if I'm pointing to one type of car or German car, then I'm saying that this is a proper noun. So proper noun is describing another noun, hence it is a proper adjective. I love Domino's pizza. So pizza is the name of the food, so it's a noun, and Domino's, I'm pointing to one proper noun, hence Domino is a adjective, proper adjective here. Next, Marxist philosophers despise capitalism. So friends, again, Marxist, a particular type of philosophers. So philosopher is my noun, and when I'm talking about only Marxists, this describe a proper noun. So the Marxist will here be proper adjective. So I hope this is clear. We'll move forward now. Next we'll discuss comparative adjectives, जो कि बहुत easy होता है, आपको जल्दी समझ में आ जाएंगे. A comparative adjective is used to make comparison between two things. अब यहाँ पर दो चीजें होना जरूरी है because we want to make some comparison. This comparison may show equality or inequality between the two things. They can be equal or not equal. So first let's discuss equal comparisons. To show an equal comparison, you need to use adjective between as. So you will have this kind of structure that there will be adjective between two as. Okay, so let's see an example. The water is as cold as ice. So यहाँ पर adjective क्या हुआ दोस्तों? It will be cold. Cold is my adjective because it is between two as, and I'm showing equality that water is almost as cold as ice. So it is equivalent to ice in terms of the coldness. I hope this is clear. Now coming to unequal comparison. So when we want to show unequal comparison, we need to use an adjective which will be followed by than. So my structure will be adjective plus er, then we'll use than. So let's see an example. Pawan is smarter than Ravi. So here I'm making an unequal comparison that P is greater than R. So smart, I'm using er with it, so it becomes smarter, and then we have than. So I hope friends this structure is also clear about comparative adjectives. So friends, we are done with the categories. Now it's the time to get some practice. So let's start. So friends, as always, your first question is to underline all the adjectives in the following small sentences. So first is, the car is old. So here, which is the noun? Car is my noun, and which is describing that noun? Old. So old is my adjective. So next, today is cloudy, hot and humid. So आज के दिन को describe कौन कर रहा है? Cloudy, hot and humid. So there are three adjectives here. Let's see the third one. So friends, this is a bit tricky. So please इसको आप मेरे साथ solve कीजिएगा. The man wearing a blue suit is handsome. So first let's find out what are the nouns here. So man is the first noun. It is the name of the person. Wearing a blue suit. So suit is another noun because it is a thing. अब इन दोनों noun को कौन describe कर रहा है वो देखते हैं. So suit is being described by this word blue. So it's a blue suit, so it is an adjective. And the man is being described by the word handsome. So this is also my adjective. So there are two adjectives here. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Next, the athlete is very fast. So this is an easy one. Fast is my adjective because it is describing athlete. He is a good football player. Okay, so here good is describing the football player. So friends, आप देख सकते हैं कि adjectives can come before a noun and they can also come after a noun. Okay, moving forward. So again, now let's underline all the adjectives. The first is, the rusty truck has an oversized trailer. So what are the nouns here? First noun is truck and the next noun is trailer. Now what words are describing them? First is rusty because it is describing the truck, and trailer is being described by oversized. So these are my adjectives. Next, the project was difficult but manageable. So project is my noun and it is being described by difficult and manageable words. So these are two adjectives. Next, the house has new plumbing and running water. So how is this plumbing and running water is described? It is described as new. So new is my adjective here. Next, the intoxicated gentleman wasn't sure if the clock was fast or slow. So here I have two nouns again. The gentleman is a noun and then clock is also a noun. So gentleman is being described by intoxicated and clock is described by like was it fast or was it slow. So these are also two adjectives. Next, a cleaner environment, he trenchantly stated, is the key. So here environment is being described by cleaner. So cleaner is my adjective, only one adjective here. Now again we need to underline the adjectives. So let's see the first one. Grandpa's room is regarded as a dark den of primitive rites and practices. So how is that room first of all? So room is my noun. So it is dark first of all. So it is an adjective. Then it is a den of primitive rites and practices. How are the rites and practices there? Primitive. So it is also an adjective. Next, he had two wobbly old bicycles. Now friends, bicycle को कैसे describe किया गया है? First of all, they are old and they are wobbly and there are two. So this is showing quantity. Wobbly is again showing the quality. So all these three words are my adjective. Next, Aman lit the white candles. So how are the candles? They are white and waved his hands over the flame. So only white is my adjective here. This was the centerpiece of her most consistent and mysterious rituals. So ritual को कैसे describe किया गया है? Mysterious. और भी कोई adjective है क्या दोस्तों? देख लेते हैं. This was the centerpiece of her most consistent and mysterious ritual. Again friends, consistent is also an adjective. Why? It is describing ritual only. That ritual is consistent and is mysterious. Next, and on an end table beside the chair was a flat box. So box is flat. This is an adjective. Packed with a medicinal leaf. Okay, so leaf is medicinal. That's also an adjective. That was shredded like tobacco. Okay friends, so I hope this is clear. Now friends, we will have a paragraph जिसमें हमें adjectives find करना है. So आप मेरे साथ भी friends resume करके वीडियो देख सकते हैं या आप pause करके खुद से भी इसको try कर सकते हैं. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Squeezing through a small opening at the back of a rock shelter. Okay, so friends, there is an opening which is being described by the word small. So small is first my adjective. At the back of a rock shelter, a young hunter-gatherer. So how is that hunter-gatherer? He is young. Hunter-gatherer finds herself. Okay, so we are talking about a girl. A young hunter-gatherer finds herself in an environment far removed from her home. Okay, blinking as her eyes adjust to low light. Okay, so light is being described as low. So low is my adjective. Cast by the flame of her torch, she observes a vast otherworldly space. Okay, so vast is being used as an adjective and space is being again used as otherworldly. So these two words are showing adjective before her. As she explores, she notices unusual. Okay, so unusual is one adjective, yet remarkable markings on the wall. So markings कैसी हैं? Unusual है और remarkable है. So these are my adjectives in this sentence. Next, so friends, you can pause the video and try it yourself. I'll move forward. So we wanted to create an opportunity for many people to come together around cancer in a way that was positive and helpful. So how is that way described? It is described as positive and hopeful. While acknowledging the often deadly realities. So deadly realities. How are the realities? These are deadly realities of the illness. Like cancer in human, the out of control growth seen in these cacti, which causes their tips to fan out into glorious crests. So crests are being described as glorious or sometimes creepy brain-like patterns. So patterns are being described as creepy and brain-like. Arises from disruptions in cellular behavior, often as a result of mutation. So I hope friends आपको adjectives clear हुए होंगे यहाँ पर. आगे बढ़ते हैं. So this is the third paragraph and this is your assignment friends. I request you that please identify the adjectives and let me know your answers in the comment section. Then I'll let you know the correct answer. Alright. So friends, with that we come to an end to this session on adjective, and I thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If the video was helpful, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Novation for more important videos. And I'll again request you that please visit novation.in, and if you like the content of Novation, you can support Novation by going to the website and donating to the cause. Friends, with that, I'll end today's session. Bye bye, and I'll see you again next time. Until then, please take care and bye bye.